In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DocuSign email delivery issues. If your recipient isn't seeing the DocuSign email, don't worry. Most of the time it comes down to a simple visibility or address issue. Let's walk through what to check so you can get your document signed without delays. First, have the recipient check their spam or junk folder. Email providers sometimes flag automated messages, and DocuSign notifications can end up there. If they find one, ask them to mark it as not spam and move it to the inbox so future messages land correctly. Next, verify the recipient's email address inside your DocuSign envelope. A single typo can stop delivery. Make sure the username and the domain are correct, fix any mistakes, and then resend. Even if it looks right, it's worth copying the address from a known good source to avoid hidden errors. Now, go ahead and resend the DocuSign email from the envelope. Open the envelope, select Resend, and give it a moment. This triggers a fresh notification and often resolves temporary hiccups. While you're doing that, a quick note. If you need to access DocuSign on the web or install the mobile app, I've placed the official link right at the top of the description so you can get to the correct site quickly and safely. If the email still isn't showing up, ask the recipient to add official DocuSign sending domains to their safe sender or allow list. This tells their email provider that these messages are legitimate and should be delivered to the inbox rather than filtered. Be sure to check the envelope status as well. If the envelope has already been completed, voided, or has expired, DocuSign will not send new notifications. Confirm that it's active and awaiting the recipient's action. Some company or school email servers block automated messages or messages with embedded links. If your recipient uses a managed email account, ask them to check with their IT administrator. IT can confirm whether automated messages are being filtered or quarantined and allow DocuSign through. If email continues to be unreliable, use the direct signing link. Open the envelope, copy the signing link, and share it with the recipient through a secure channel they can access. Remind them not to forward that link publicly, since it grants access to the document. And if none of these steps solve it, reach out to DocuSign support and provide the envelope ID so they can investigate delivery logs and help identify the exact issue. That's how to fix DocuSign email delivery issues. Thanks for watching.